Hi, hello, good night, everyone. I choose word about the animal responsibility, my only perspective, and that's very important for me. It's it's to create animal conscientization because when I walk around the park, when I go into the forestal park, when I go into the center of Guayaquil, I can see very much cats and dogs abandoned. And this is very, very sad for me. Well, there is a population, yeah, but what can you do? What can I do? Well, I propose in my project three items: responsibility, sterilization, and learn to excuse me, teach to love. And well, basically, this is the sterilization. This girl uh, are sleeping and next to 25 minutes she can walk again. But why will this? Why? Well, first, because the sterilization is not a dangerous process, contrary that people think. Sterilization to animals have got much advantage because they can have good health. I sure this they can, they will be very, very happy. Well, but why more? Well, we can avoid this case. We can avoid a cat with very, very bad health conditions. Why more? Because why? Because we can avoid a dog surgeon food in the trash. We can avoid this and this. The overpopulation of animals is a great problem for this society, but we can change. We can change this. We can change the world. This world. We can change this place for these guys. Um, but what can you do? What can I do? What can we do? Well, we can abandon it. We can mistreat, and I sure this we can teach to fight our pets. But we can teach children and all people learn to love animals. I believe in the best word, and this is one goal. Is one of the much goal for this ideal best word